In the high-stakes arena of the Zimbabwean social media battlefield, a digital tiff between political activist Jealousy Mawarire, a journalist by profession, fiercely critical of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government and his 2030 agenda, and Brighton Mtebuka, a United Kingdom-based Zimbabwean lawyer, loyal to the main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, is exposed behind the scenes, maneuvers, and events quietly influencing current politics out of the public view. Zarabina mashkobranyi kwa pango na chinzi. Chamisa-Mnangagwa talks exposed. Audio tells behind the scenes story. To subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipram the news of Sambranya Rachiti. The Omarira Indimutibuka, a brutal exchange have led to political revelations beyond what they initially intended. What began as a fierce X, formerly Twitter, feud soon escalated into a big political storm involving the country's most powerful figures and the unknowns in the process. People can easily see what is happening between Mnangagwa and Chamisa, but they don't know what really it is. It's a known unknown. Mawarire, a vocal critic of Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda, clashed with Mtebuka over the diabetes role as the new face of opposition through the Constitution Defenders Forum. To Mnangagwa, see term extension, and Chamisa see inexplicable hibernation and the dedication of duty, as well as a legal and political strategies required to step the constitution coup underway. The public part, marked by political arguments and personal jabs, is trending, drawing in a massive audience of Zimbabweans frustrated by the country's protracted crisis with no end in sight. This scooped with the chief fortune Charumbira C. Karanga ethnic hegemony plot exposed through an audio in March 2023 described by some critics as a call for a government of tribal unity, further explains the hidden political romance between Mnangagwa and Chamisa, attend claims of patronage, abuse of interested power of the people, corrupt payments, and betrayal. Weird things currently happening on local politics behind the scenes. This audio short version is a confirmed record of a conversation between main opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, then leading the now defunct MDC Alliance, and First Lady Auxiliary Mnangagwa's aide, Ben Muneri. Chamisa was exploring ways to negotiate with the First Lady and President Mnangagwa to become a Prime Minister in the current ZANU-PF government in the aftermath of the hotly dispersed 2018 presidential poll amid brutal post-election violence and killings on August 1. Tomba developments aripo mamusoro leaked audio yatendera pasocial media ndinovimba kuti kwese kwese yasvika yaadwa Nelson Chamisa erecorded call inoonekwa kunzi aiwa anga achinegotiata panguva ine pachiexposwa nawo dzekuti haakasingadi kuti zvibudewo mumapepa nawo nemumasocial media. Pinda comment section medu dzafungiro edimo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.